Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about why your mortgage payment is mostly interest. When people first take a mortgage, they often feel confused because they are paying every month, but the loan balance does not seem to go down very fast. The main reason is simple. In the early years of a mortgage, most of the payment goes toward interest, not principal. To understand this clearly, think about how mortgage interest is calculated. Every month, the lender looks at your remaining loan balance, multiplies it by the annual interest rate, and then divides it by 12. So, if your loan balance is still very high at the beginning, the monthly interest charge will also be high. As a result, your payment is split into two parts. The first part pays the interest charged for that month, and the remaining part reduces the actual loan balance, which is called the principal. In most standard mortgages, your monthly payment stays fixed, but the split between interest and principal changes over time. For example, imagine you borrowed $300,000 at a 6% annual interest rate for 30 years. Your approximate monthly payment could be around $1,799. In the first month, around $1,500 may go toward interest, while only around $299 may reduce the principal. So, at the start, more than 80% of the payment can go to interest. That is why it feels like you are paying a lot but not making much progress on the actual loan balance. However, the good news is that this changes slowly over time. In the beginning, the payment is mostly interest and only a small part is principal. Later, the split becomes more balanced. Near the end of the loan term, most of the payment goes toward principal and only a small part goes toward interest. This happens because the loan balance decreases month by month. Since interest is charged on the remaining balance, a lower balance means a lower interest charge. And when the interest portion becomes smaller, more of your fixed payment goes toward reducing the principal. This is also why many homeowners feel frustrated in the early years. Equity builds slowly at first, total interest paid over the life of the loan can be huge, and if someone moves or refinances too early, they may not see much principal reduction. But small smart actions can make a big difference. For example, making extra principal payments can reduce the balance faster. Choosing a shorter loan term, if affordable, can reduce total interest. Refinancing to a lower rate may help when it makes financial sense. Paying biweekly can also reduce the balance faster because it can create the effect of one extra monthly payment per year. At the same time, it is important to be careful about resetting the loan into a long new term unnecessarily, because that can extend the repayment period and increase total interest. Always compare the total cost, not only the monthly payment. So, the main lesson is this. Your mortgage payment is mostly interest at first because interest is charged on the highest balance at the beginning. But as the balance falls, more of your payment goes toward principal, and your loan starts reducing faster. This video is for general educational purposes only, not personal financial advice. Before making mortgage decisions, always compare your options and speak with a qualified financial professional if needed. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.